Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, I will describe my friends. She name is Maureen Amtiran. She is my good friend. He and I have been friends for almost 4 years. When we first meet him, he is white, quiet, and shy. As time went by, he became a very chatty, but his heart is very good. She is my friend who always support me no matter what as this situation. When I am sad, I always tell him. She is very smart and beautiful. She is very ambitious, is learning but not too upset. I like being friends with her and she is also a funny and very fun person. Thank you, that's all my friends. Bye bye.